Children, in the previous class we have learned measurement of weight. Today we are going to learn time.
When will the sun rise in the morning? When will the sun set in the evening? In the two pictures, the clock shows 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock in the morning is 7 a.m. 7 o'clock in the night is 7 p.m. The abbreviation of a.m. is ante-meridiem and p.m. is post-meridiem. There are 24 hours in a day. We now see that the 24 hours is divided as 12 hours from midnight 12 o'clock to noon 12 o'clock, and it is called as ante-meridiem, and 12 hours from noon 12 o'clock to midnight 12 o'clock is called as post-meridiem. These two 12 hours make a day.
Now we can express the time in terms of AM and PM. Express the time in terms of AM and PM. Ante-meridiem AM. Post-meridiem PM. One day equal to 24 hours. So midnight 12 o'clock to noon 12 o'clock is AM. That means ante-meridiem. Midnight 12 o'clock to noon 12 o'clock is AM. Noon 12 o'clock to midnight 12 o'clock is post-meridiem. That means PM. Now we can write the time using AM or PM. 7 o'clock in the morning. 7 o'clock in the morning means in between 12 midnight to afternoon. So we have to write 7 AM. 7 AM. So 7 o'clock in the morning is 7 AM. 4 o'clock in the evening. Evening is in between afternoon to midnight. Afternoon to midnight. So we have to write 4 PM. 4 PM. 11 o'clock in the night before midnight. So we have to write 11 PM. 11 PM. 2 o'clock in the night. 2 o'clock in the night is after midnight. 2 o'clock in the night is after midnight. So we have to write 2 AM. Next 1 o'clock in the afternoon. 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So we have to write 1 PM. 1 PM. 12 o'clock in the noon means we should not write AM or PM. We have to write only 12 noon. 12 noon.
Write the time using AM or PM. Now see the picture and write the time. It is 12:30 PM. From this picture, we can say that the time is 9 AM. 3 hours after noon is 3 PM. 2 hours before noon is equal to 12 minus 2 equal to 10 AM. We see that in airport, railway station and bus stop, they use 24 hours clock. Relation of 24-hour clock with respect to 12-hour clock. change time to 24-hour clock, just add 12 to the hour. Convert the following clock time into 24-hour time. 4:25 a.m. equal to 4:25. 9:20 a.m. equal to 9:20. 6:30 p.m. equal to 6:30 plus 12 equal to 18:30.
Now we can convert the clock time into 24 hours time. 24 hours time. Here there is given 12 hours time. We have to convert 24 hours time. So 4:25 a.m. 4:25 a.m. If it is given a.m. means you have to write the time as it is. So 4:25 a.m. equal to 4:25. Next question 9:20 a.m. 9:20 a.m. equal to 9:20. 9:20 a.m. equal to 9:20. Next 6:30 p.m. If they given p.m. means you have to add 12 hours. You have to add 12 hours to the time. So 6:30 plus 12 hours. Plus 12 hours equal to 18:30. 18 hours 30 minutes. 6:30 p.m. equal to 6:30 p.m. equal to in 24 hours time 18:30. Next 10:45 p.m. 10:45 p.m. means 10:45 plus 12 hours. We have to add 12 hours to convert 24 hours time. 10:45 p.m. equal to 22:45. 22 hours 45 minutes. Next 12 noon means we have to write the time as it is. 12 noon means write the time as it is. 12 midnight means we have to add 12 hours. 12 plus 12 24. 12 plus 12 24. So 12 noon means 12. 12 midnight means 12 plus 12 24.
To change time to 12-hour clock, just subtract 12 from the hour. Convert the following clock time into 12-hour time. 8 equal to 8 a.m. 12:28 equal to 12:28 p.m. 16:20 equal to 16:20 minus 12 equal to 4:20 p.m.
Now we can convert the clock time into 12 hours time. Into 12 hours time. Here there is given 24 hours time. We have to convert 12 hours time. 11 hours means I have to write 11 a.m. 11 a.m. 8:40 hours means I have to write 8:40 a.m. 8:40 a.m. If the hour is greater than or equal to 13 means you have to subtract 12 hours from it. In 24 hours clock, 16 hours 20 minutes. So we have to convert 12 hours clock 16:20 minus 12 hours. Minus 12 hours. So 0 to 4. So 4 hours 20 minutes and then write PM. And then write PM. So 16:20 equal to 4:20 PM. Next 23 hours 30 minutes. Same way 23 hours 30 minutes minus 12. Minus 12. 30 minutes 1. So 23 30 equal to 11:30 PM. 11:30 PM. Fifth question 12:28. So it is less than 13. So we have to write the time as it is. then it is afternoon. It is afternoon. So we have to write PM. Convert 24 hours time into 12 hours time means 11 equal to 11 a.m. 8:40 equal to 8:40 a.m. The time is greater than or equal to 13 means we have to subtract 12 hours. So 16:20 equal to 4:20 p.m. 23:30 equal to 11:30 p.m. 11:30 p.m. 12:28 equal to 12:28 p.m. Today we have learned express the time in terms of AM and PM, conversion of clock time into 12 hours time and conversion of clock time into 24 hours time. Copy these in your term book. Thank you, children.